and welcome back to a new video. So guys, if you're watching this video right now, it's about Baza on the screen. It is Baza I want to talk about, and if you haven't joined or you've never heard about Baza, then please listen to me carefully. I've uploaded many videos talking about Baza on the other channel, Life with Cynthia, but I think this is the first time I'm talking about it or uploading video about Baza on this new channel. So if you're watching me for the very first time, my name is Cynthia. My name is Cynthia, and I do tutorials on how to make money online. And we also have WhatsApp group with the big number over 500, so you can also join us there. I give updates and we learn together. So here on Baza, you can make money on different ways. Okay, so for the first time, if you register, you're gonna get only if you use the link or the code that I'm going to pin on the comment section. Remember, I haven't said description but comment section. Okay, so after you watch the video, make sure you visit description. You visit comment section of this video. Okay, so this is a social media app. At the same time, it's a kind of developing crypto app, and they have processes going on right now. You can see what I have on my channel right here. I'm having around 19.4 dollars. 0.14 dollars right here. You can see up here. I don't know whether you can see what I'm trying to say. That is what of Baza. So this Baza app, they have their own coin called Baza coin. So this coin is about to be launched, and when immediately you register, they're gonna give you for free, and also you'll be earning free Baza coin on doing different things or interacting with the app itself. So you'll be earning more Baza coin. That is one way of earning. Okay, and another way you can earn as you post. Okay, you can earn so long as they have approved you as their content creator. The easiest way to become a content creator on this app is through verification. If you have the verification badge, that is subscription. It depends on the country you are in, but you can also go as a content creator on this Baza app for free by just logging in for 10 days and uploading your document, that is a passport, or you can use ID card or driver license, so that you can be approved. That is for KYC. Okay, so after that you have to log in for of which they have to approve it, right? So if it is approved or accepted, then you have to log into this account for 10 good days, okay, without skipping. Okay, so this is where you can post. Okay, so if you want to post or go to reels, or okay, as a free content creator, if you don't subscribe, you are only allowed to post reels and post, that is images. Okay, but the major thing people post here are sports, especially boxers, ridings, the bicycle riding, motorcycle racing, car racing, or football. So football is the best niche. Okay, so we have also other games here, but the most important one or the most famous one on this channel or this app is football. Okay, or boxing. Bring that in, give mama. So you can see the only people allowed to put thread and blog is for the people who have subscribed. Okay, and subscription is the same way, even the way we do it on Facebook, other social media sites. Okay, so apart from that, you can also see, if you want to watch videos, you come here. If you want to see notifications, you come here. If you go to your profile, you will be able to access different things from there. Okay, let's see what are they. This is my profile, though I've not been that active. You can see I'm a content creator. By the way, here you can see you can earn through this. You can see, if you check here, you will be able to see my balance. Okay, you'll be able to see my balance, where everything is coming from. That is because I'm not posting regularly. You can see these posts are old ones, and and something I want to tell you is about the points. So we have profile and points. If you go to points, okay, if you go to points, you'll be able to see the number of points I have. That is total balance is 2000. 216 points. 200, not 2000. 216 points that worth $19.14. Okay, so you can see right now phase 2, we are in phase 2. Okay, collect points now and receive 50% bonus when converting them to crypto before this phase ends. Okay, so you can see that, and again you'll also be able to you see phase 3 app crypto wallet. On July they will be in phase 3. So phase 3 is for the app, so they'll be finishing the app, then we'll be having pre-sale 1st August, then sex listing, that is they will list the coin, and we'll be able to exchange it with other cryptos, I mean, or other coins, and even exchange it into cash. Okay, that will be October 1st this year, 2026. So if you are there watching this video, make sure you grab the link on the comment section. It is pinned there. If you have any question, ask me. If you'd like to join our WhatsApp group, then I'm also going to pin the link together with the link of the this app. And in case you have any question or concern, you can reach me out even in inbox direct. That is if you join our WhatsApp group. Okay, so I think I've said almost everything. So you can also interact with the app to see more details, more things. And another thing is, if you invite someone, you'll be getting 1 point. And remember, the points are going to be exchanged into Baza coin. Okay, and the coins are exchangeable when the sex listing date reach. Okay, so stay tuned, guys, for more updates. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you, guys. See you soon.